Load 260. I'm going to show you how to make a multi-sample in this video. So it's going to be a basic one that just shows you how to put many different sounds you've sampled onto different keys. It's good for doing things like drums. So if you want to have one part of the drum kit, like the kick, on one key, snare on another, hi-hat another, various parts of the drum kit, you can each have them on their separate key, but all in the same key map, all in the same patch. That way when you're making your drum beat in Digital Performer, you can put them all on the same channel. Now you don't have to do this. You could put one sample of your sounds that you make for your drum project onto a separate channel for every Digital Performer track. I recommend doing it this way though, because it allows you to free up the other tracks for use with other samples. Okay, you're not limited to those 6 tracks either that you have in Digital Performer. You just create a new track, and each time you create a new track, make sure it has a different channel than the previous ones. So it's going to have channel 1 through 6 to use in Digital Performer. All you do is you change it so it has, for the next track, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 16. Okay? So, now I'm going to go ahead and make some samples. I'm going to make a couple samples in order, and then after I make those samples, I'm going to put them into a multi. It's the same way as doing a normal sample patch, except for I combine them together at the end. So now I have everything ready to record. I'm going to hit record. And stop. It tells me to strike a root key. I strike C here. Now it says, save the sample, max minus 10 decibels. That's okay. Could be a little bit louder, could be minus 6 or something, but that's fine with me. I say yes. Then it says rename, so I rename it. I'm going to hit the number key over here. See this one, 0 to 9? When I hit it, oops, rename first. So, hit rename. Then I hit the number key, and what it does is it turns it to a 0. You can label these in order now so I know which ones are which. Okay. Save. Yeah. Please wait. Okay, done. Notice I'm not even previewing it. Okay, then I go for the next one. Can't remember what I sang, so let's just hope for the best. Now I go to C sharp, different key. Does this work for you? Yeah, 7 decibels, that's pretty sweet. And I rename, do the same thing over here, but I'm going to put it up to number 1 there. And OK. Save. So I hit preview. Now I hit multi instead. And it shows this. Preview series. I have various samples in there. Okay? So, I'm going to select all the ones I want. And I hit this select button over here. Boom. When I hit select, it puts a little asterisk, see, next to the file. Then I go down arrow, next one, hit select, boom, puts an asterisk there again, and so on. Do that for the next one, select, next one. Each time here I'm hitting select, and final one, select. This is just including all the files into my multi. When I'm done with that, I press OK. Combine into a single key program. Yeah, I want to take all these and make one program out of them. So when I load up patch whatever it is, 200 and something, it just has all my files, all my sounds laid out in the keyboard. Hit yes. Tune key map layout. Actually, no. I don't want this to pitch shift all my stuff at the moment. Just want to have the normal sounds kicking it like that. So I press no. Preview and bank, yeah, whatever, yes. Preview is 201. Okay, so let's go to program. And it's loaded on my 201. Now it's going to load them at my bottom key, the piano. Hit it. So I have my whole progression. All of them are mapped. The ones higher than that are just going to be mapped into pitch. So if I hit here, it's going to take the last key E. You had this, this, and that E key now, the rest of them is going to be stretched up here. Are there ways that you can map it so that you have one key cross a certain amount of keys and another cross another one, each of them, in other words, be expanded and pitch shifted up for part of the keyboard so that parts of the keyboard are divided amongst the samples you have? Yes, but I'm not going to show you that at the moment. I just want you to know how to combine multiple samples into one master sample patch like this that has many of them. I want you to know how to make a basic multi so that you can make a drum kit or something else that you don't intend to really shift in its sound, but you do want to have all on the same channel.